Dear students, good morning. As you know, in the last PPT and during the delivery of the previous lectures, we have learned what is the matrices and kind of the matrices, what is the operation in matrices. We have also learned about the addition, subtraction, and multiplication of the matrices. Now, today I am going to discuss about another important part in the matrices, that is determinant. So let us look at what is the determinant. Okay, the determinant of a matrix of order 1, the determinant of a matrix of order 1 may be defined as A is equal to A1111. It means this is already, the square matrix should be square 1 and 1. So basic determinant is the first determinant, you can say this is the determinant of A is equal to A11. Okay, and now if you move forward, then determinant of a matrix A, if 2 cross 2 matrix is there, then of course the A11, A12, A21 and 22, A22, as you know, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Then similarly, the determinant of this is the determinant of A. We can rewrite this as this A11, A12, A21 and A22. And what is the definition? Definition is just you multiply these two, means A11 multiplied by A22 minus A12 multiplied by A21. So this is the 2 cross 2 matrices. If a square matrix of the order 2 cross 2 is there, then we can define the determinant as this A11, A22 minus A12, A21. Now, basically, this was the conceptual definition of the order 1 and order 2. But how, if it is asked to you to write the definition of the determinant, then how you should write? You should write like this: every square matrix can be associated to an expression or a number which is known as its determinant. Means if A is Aij is a square matrix of order n, n cross n, then the determinant of A is denoted by determinant A or under this symbol, this A is equal to A11, A12 up to A1n, means first row nth column, second row nth column, and n number of row and n number of column. It means this is the n cross n matrix, you can say square matrix of n cross n order. For example, as I discussed in the previous PPT, it means the determinant of a square matrix of order 2 is equal to the diagonal element multiplication of diagonal elements minus the product of diagonal elements. This is the definition of determinant. So we have to remember the following notes. Only square matrices have the determinant. If it is asked in the MCQ other than the square matrices, then you take care. Only square matrices have the determinant. Second, the determinant of a square matrix of order 3 can be expanded along any row or column. And third, if a row or a column of a determinant consists of all zeros, then the value of the determinant is 0. Now the fourth is the determinant of a square matrix of order 3 is the sum of the product of the element A1j in the row minus 1 power I plus j. Sometime just for sake of your knowledge of the student, I have written this. It times the determinant of 2 cross 2 some matrices obtained by leaving the first row and column passing through the element as I have already given here in example. Let us you want to expect this determinant. Then how you can? So minus 1 power 1 plus 1, because I want to write A11. A11 is here. It means just you skip this. Just you look. I want to skip A11 means I want to skip this. Okay. So I want to skip this. So if we want to skip this, just to check, I want to skip this. Okay, then what is the determinant? Just to check here, the determinant, leftover determinant is what? A22, A23, A32 and A33. So in this way you can write like this. Similarly you check here. Okay, now the next is plus minus 1 power. The next element I am taking A12. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is odd number. So this will be the negative A12. And now how we can just to check here how we can. So now I am going to write A12. A12 means now just you think you look this. It means the remaining elements are, just to check what is the remaining element. The remaining elements are A21, A23, just to check here, A21, A23, A31 and A33. So this is about the matrices. And now the last is again, the last is the last is this A13, means 1 plus 3 is even number. Then A13, just to check how we can go. So we can go ahead. A13 means this. There is no need of this. You can omit this, and then you can write this. So A21, A22, A31, A32. So in this way, you can expand the matrices. Okay. So now, for example, let us you want to find the value of x for which you look x is here. This is hold good. If this is the equivalent of 2 cross 2 matrices, 2 cross 2 determinant, you can say, then how you can. So just to check, 3x x1 is equal to 3, 2, 4, 1. You know, just to expand this 3 minus x square is equal to 3 minus 8. Then in this way, you will report x is equal to plus minus 2 under root 2. In this way, you can find out. The another example, evaluate the determinant this. The evaluation, as I said in the previous PPT, how you can, just you can like this, 3 and then this determinant, then minus, this is the second place, it means this place, so my negative is there, then this place is positive is there, then after expansion you will get 46. So in this way you can do some more problems as a practice. So thank you very much, and this was the first video on determinant. Okay, so another video we will look further, but it is my appeal to all my viewers and students, you do practice for the determinant up to after looking this video. Thank you very much. Thank you. Stay safe.